learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey everyone, welcome back to another edition of Practical Hakka on ICRT.
Hello， 好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Lin. Liam's up to you right here with Alice teaching you the phrase this month. If I knew, 早知道。
奏敌？
奏敌？什么状况会奏敌啊？我知道了。
什么？
这个旅游的时候，或者出公差的时候，去一个饭店
有游泳池，
然后就会后悔，
结果泳衣都没带，
对，
那你就现场买啊。
哦，也是啦，
反正你钱多多啊。
No， 还是要省钱。那家里可能有10几件那个泳衣，
那没关系啊，每去一个地方换一件哦。
哎呀，你有钱啦。Okay, let's put you in this scenario. If I knew there's a swimming pool at this hotel, I would have brought my swim gear. Okay? 好，这间饭店有好大的游泳池哎。Hey, there's a big swimming pool at this hotel.
亚健饭店，游动台街，秋水池呢？
哦，秋水池呢？秋水就是
游
水了，要游泳。秋水池，秋水 means swim, but 秋水池 means 游泳池。That means a swimming pool. Yeah, this hotel's got a big one. So, had I known, I would have brought my swimwear. Okay, 早知道我就带泳衣来了。
奏敌，
秋带，
秋水三来嘞。
OK， 刚刚秋水是游泳，然后秋水池是游泳池，那现在是秋水三，就是衣服衫。OK， that's actually your swimwear because 秋水 is swimming and sam is your clothing. OK， 没关系，就是你刚刚讲的，就再买一件啊，饭店可能有卖啦，
比较贵，
一定的。没关系，我们可以买一件，对，没关系啦，我们可以买一件新的，怎么说呢？
没关系，按做的，买一辆新的
哦，买一辆，要买1两而已哦。那个泳衣不止1两、2两、3两、8两，
哪有？那个泳衣都很轻哎，如果2两、3两的话，哇，那就沉下去了。
哦，所以两就是一件的，一件的意思，对不对？
对。
OK， 一两 means one piece and 新的
就新的
，a new piece of swimwear. There you go. All right. Let's review some of these terms, such as 就游泳池跟游泳衣。
OK，
好不好？游泳。
秋水
that's swimming, and then the swimming pool
秋水池
that's swimming pool， 然后再来是游泳衣 your swimming wear
秋水衫
and it's all about 早知道啊 if I knew
奏敌
that means if I knew. All right, well if you're prepared, great. If not, buy a new one. And that does it for today's Practical Hakka.
什么太感
安子 say 张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.